We see a shop filled with clay pots. What comes to our minds? How beautiful each one is. Each of us only looks at the lovely jar. However, no one sees the 100 broken jars that fell behind it. A young woman came to her old pottery teacher. "I am so exhausted, teacher. No matter what I make, it never turns out the way I want. I feel like I have no talent. I make." The teacher did not offer her any advice. Giving her 2 balls of clay, she said, "Come, let's make it together." Both sat in front of the wheel. The girl tried to make a tall jar. Halfway up, it wobbled and fell down. She kneaded it again and tried once more. It fell again. She looked at the teacher. In the teacher's hands, a jar was growing tall and beautiful. "Look, yours is so pretty. Mine just won't stay up." Smiling, the teacher said, "You only look at my jar when it is tall. You didn't see the jars I let fall for the past 10 years. Then the teacher took the girl's fallen clay and placed it back in the center. This is not failure. Clay has a memory. Every time you knead it, center it, and try again, it becomes even softer and gets ready to take shape. Every time you think you have fallen, it is not in vain. That is what prepares you." The girl took a deep breath and tried again. This time, she didn't think about making it tall. She only thought about keeping her hands steady. That jar stood firm. It was small. It was ordinary, but it didn't fall. The teacher placed that small jar on the highest shelf in her shop. Not because it was the best jar in the shop, but because it was the first jar that stood without falling. If something in your life keeps falling down over and over again, it is not failure. It means you are getting ready.